as the UN, through various opinions we've got out of the Working Group on Arbitrary Detention, which is a working group that sits, you have the General Assembly, Australia is a member of, then you have the UN Human Rights Council, which Australia, when Julia Bishop was the Foreign Minister, campaigned incredibly hard to get a seat on, and we do have a seat on it. One of the bodies underneath the Human Rights Council is this Working Group on Arbitrary Detention. We have, at the moment, 7 opinions from the working group saying release these 7 individuals immediately. And because Australia has ignored that, the UN has ramped that up and said, you must change your law. You must change the Migration Act to be in compliance with international standards and treaties that you have signed up to, Australia, that say, you know, this should not be done. You know, you cannot punish people for coming to your country to seek asylum or, you know, because they're stateless. So I would like to see the Migration Act amended. My concern is that it could be amended for the opposite reason, that we have case law that says you must release people in this situation, and the government says, well, we don't want to do that, so we'll try and amend the Migration Act so we can keep people in indefinite detention, which is an incredibly frightening prospect. That being said, I think that's when the judiciary would step up and say, well, now we're really at that level of infringing on judicial power. We have the power to imprison. You do not. You need to step back.